Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about this disc cutter we just got. So when you're using a disc cutter, there's a few things to know to keep it in good shape. One of the things is, look at these cutters. So one side has a bevel. That's the side you're going to be hitting with the hammer. This side is the pointy side that cuts the metal, okay? So when we put some metal in there, we have to know what gauge we're working with and use a shim on the other side of the cutter. So I'm going to be working with this 20 gauge copper, and I'm going to stick it in here. To open it, I turn this counterclockwise. There's a little slot to put the metal in. Put that in there, and I'm going to use one of these shims. These are all marked with different gauges on them. So I'm going to take the 20 gauge shim and stick that onto the other side, opposite where I'm cutting. And then I turn this clockwise to tighten it all down. Get that in there, okay. And let's see, I put that in the 1/4 inch, so I'll use a 1/4 inch cutter. I'm putting the sharp end. First I'm gonna put burr life on it. That's gonna keep that thing nice and sharp for us for years to come. Put that in there, and I'm gonna get this handle out of the way so I don't hit that accidentally. And then I'll give this a few whacks. There we go. And we're through. And we got a beautiful little copper disc.
Cute.
Excellent. All right, and then if this gets stuck, I can give it a little tap, and that'll come out the other side.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's not
Sometimes
gonna
that
come
happens. So then you just finagle it until it does. There it goes. Yay.
All right. Okay. And then counterclockwise to release everything. And you're good.
Awesome.
All right.